Hi, my name's Anne-Marie Hable and I wanted to do a quick little video about the Web Accessibility Evaluation tool and how it works. This will help us to begin to understand how to make a web page more accessible for people with disabilities. I thought we could start with our QUT homepage, and I have preloaded it because it does take a little bit of time into the Web Accessibility Evaluation tool by putting the website, the QUT website, in the address bar. So because this takes a bit of time, we'll jump over here and we can see a summary of all the accessibility issues. If we click on these, we can see the details. For example, this is low contrast. It doesn't like the blue being on top of the yellow. We can see other details. We can see other errors. Just by clicking on it, it gives us more details of the errors. One error I want to draw attention to is alternative text for images. Often when news items are added, I don't think people remember that they need the alternative text put in. So you can see it's missing its alternative text. This little panel here is really great for going through and looking at the alerts and having a look at what needs to be fixed. Thanks. Bye.